Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Hestra C Zone Gauntlet kids gloves. So the Hestra C Zone Gauntlet is a really good general winter glove, as well as being an excellent ski or snowboard glove as well. You've got 3 models to choose from. They're all fully insulated and fully waterproof as well. So you've got the classic 5-fingered glove here, and then you've got a classic mitt, and then the third option you've got is a 3-fingered mitt. Now, for those of you that haven't heard of these before, these are a really good compromise between a glove and a mitten. So if I just stick my hand in, squeeze my hand in here rather, you can see you've got your 3 fingers here that are in this part of the mitt, so that helps keep them warm, and then you've got your index finger independent and obviously your thumb. So it means you've got a lot of the warmth of a mitten, but you've got some of the dexterity you'll get with gloves as well. So a really good option for kids that may be getting a bit fed up of wearing mittens, and but you're worried about a glove being a bit too cold for them with all the fingers separated. So this is called a 3-fingered mitt, a really good option. Okay, so the technology across all the gloves is the same. As I said, they're fully waterproof and insulated. So let's just walk you around the main features. They've all got this, what's called a wolf paw palm. It's a really durable, slightly rubberized. I don't know if you can hear it, sort of almost sticky, squeaky. So it's really good for gripping onto ski poles and that kind of thing. And all the thumbs are reinforced here as well. Again, that point where you're gripping onto the ski pole. So that's a nice little feature there. At the top of the gloves, there is this thing, which is called the snow lock. So you squeeze that and tighten the glove around the top part of your wrist, just to keep the snow out. You've also got a Velcro opening here, so you get a nice fit around your wrist. And again, it's reinforced right over the front of the palm and over the top of your fingertips as well. So nice little, really well thought out gloves. So let's just talk a bit about what's inside the gloves. So we've got a glove here that I can't quite remember what happened, but anyway, we ended up with one glove on its own. So I've taken a pair of scissors to it and to show you what's inside the glove. So as I said, you've got this wolf paw material on the front, on the palm, which is really rubberized and you can see quite thick. Then inside that, this layer here is your waterproof, breathable membrane. And then you've got your insulation, the nice fluffy stuff. This is called fibre fill. It's a polyester insulation. And then inside that again, you've got this black fabric, which is a nice fleece lining. So a 4-layer construction. So basically what you get with these gloves is, for the money, is you get a really quite high spec pair of winter and ski gloves for your children, fully waterproof, fully insulated, and some really nice attention to detail in terms of durability and fit. So hope you found this useful. Oh, one other thing I've nearly forgotten, is the pièce de resistance of these gloves is the Hestra handcuff. They all come with it. It's basically, really simply, it's a little strap you put around your wrist. So your children get up in the morning, they put this on before they leave your apartment, and then you pop your gloves in, your hand in rather, and you just keep that on all day. And what it means is when they're on the ski lift and getting a bit hot and they decide to grab the end of this with their teeth and pull their glove off and then let go of it, it's just going to dangle like that, and you're not going to end up with a child with one very, very cold hand at the top of a chairlift. So really nice little feature. As I said, they do come with these gloves, but we also sell them separately. So if you've got a pair of gloves without them, it's just a few pounds or a few dollars, a really worthwhile investment. So anyway, hope you found this useful, and we've got other Hestra gloves and other videos to talk about for the kids range.